Hello everyone. Let us now discuss today's LeetCode POTD question. Question number 3243, shortest distance after road addition queries. Here we are given with n cities. That means 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1. And we are also given with queries where query of I represents ui and vi. Now, these cities are already connected with an undirected edge. That means a road, you can say that this road is a two-way road. And after every query, so this query means there will be a road, a new construction of road from UI to VI. And we need to calculate shortest distance from city 0 to city n minus 1 after every query and we need to push that into our answer vector and we need to return this vector. So this is the question which is given in our description. Here we'll go to the intuition. Let us go with an example. Firstly, example. Here we are given with n is equal to 5 and queries are 2 comma 4 0 comma 2 0 comma 4. If n is equal to 5, as I said, 0 to n minus 1, 0 1 2 3 4, these are the cities and these are already connected with an undirected edge. And 2 to 4, here there will be a connection, a road connection with 2 to 4. Now, what is the shortest distance? 1, 2, 3. So for the first query, 3 is the shortest distance. And then 0 to 2 again. 0 to 2. Now, what is the shortest distance? 0 to 2, 2 to 4. So 2 here and 0 to 4. Now, here is a connection between 0 to 4. Now, what is the shortest distance? Directly from 0 to 4, only 1. So 3, 2, 1 is the array which we need to return to the as the answer. Now, we are already again given with another example. Example 2. n is equal to 4. Queries are 0 to 3, 0 to 2. Now, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the cities which are already connected with an undirected edge. Now, 0 to 3. Here, 0 to 3. This is the connection between the first node and the last node. That means first city and the last city. So what is the shortest distance? 0 to 3, which is 1, and 0 to 2 again. Here we are connecting 0 to 2. Now, even though if we connect 0 to 2, our shortest distance will be calculating from first city to the last city. So 1, 1. So our answer will be 1, 1 in a vector. Now, let us discuss about the intuition. As they have said that there will be connection like an undirected edge, so which we need to construct a graph. First thing, construct graph, and after constructing the graph of n queries, now the second thing which we need to do is considering queries. That means creating graph again. So, but after creating graph with every query, after every query, we need to go with a searching algorithm, which is Sketras or BFS algorithm. Now I am going with the BFS algorithm. That means we need to construct graph with n queries, and then the second thing, iterate queries and create those graphs, undirected graph again. And after every query, we need to apply BFS algorithm and take the distance into answer array, and then in the last return our answer array. Now the algorithm goes like First, we create a graph of size n and iterate I is equal to 0 to n minus 1 and graph of 1 dot pushback I plus 1, and then we'll be creating an answer array. In this answer array, we need to push the shortest distance after every query. That means iterate every query and create edge, undirected edge between u, I and vi. Then after creating an edge, call for BFS algorithm, and this BFS algorithm will return the shortest path from 0 to n minus 1, and we will be giving our graph and also the size n. So push back that push back that shortest path after every query into our answer. So after this iteration, we will be returning our answer, and you will be getting the code in next few seconds. Thank you.